How to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. Hello everyone and let's get started. For the first solution, you need to update your Instagram app. For that, open your Play Store and search for Instagram. Click on the update button. Once the update has been completed, you can go back and check if the note feature is available or not. Now moving on to the second solution, it would be turning on your activity status. This could also hamper the note feature. So first of all, go to your profile, click on the three lines, go to settings and privacy. Now tap on this section called as messages and story replies. Now tap on show activity status and make sure that it is toggled on. Now the third solution would be to switching to professional account. On the settings and privacy, tap on account type and click on switch to professional mode. This should fix the problem. However, if it is still not available, you might have to wait until the Instagram launches it for every user. So that's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.